Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a fun $1 makeup product to try out. This is from AOA Studio, which if you're familiar with me and my channel, you know this is one of my favorite makeup brands. It's from ShopMissA.com. It's the private label brand exclusive to ShopMissA, and this is the Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner, which I got in this pink shade called Lovebirds. I'm so excited about this because I love pink, so I thought it would be fun to try out a pink liquid eyeliner, something a little different. On the ShopMissA website, they have this in a bunch of different shades, but they also show pictures of a lot of really fun kind of graphic makeup looks that were created with the different colored eyeliners. So I was thinking maybe I would try and do something a little, like, I don't know, unique, maybe something a little fun, maybe create a shape. I have in mind that I want to make like a heart out of my eyeliner. I mean, I'm actually very bad with liquid eyeliner, so this could turn into a disaster, but I just figured we could have some fun with it. So first, let's check out the applicator. Oh, good. It's a brush applicator. The product looks very true to color and pigmented, so let's do a swatch and test it. Yes. See, I'm really glad, especially for a light pink shade. It shows up pigmented, visible, true to color. I feel like if I ever have tried out a pink liquid eyeliner before, it is not able to show up as well as this one. So here you can see that swatch, which you really can see it. It's very visible for a light pink eyeliner. I'm very impressed. So I do have a larger mirror in front of me here that I'm going to probably need to look into to try out this eyeliner technique. But actually first, let's just, for the fun of it, see if I can line my upper lash line. Wow, yeah, super easy to use, very precise. The brush tip holds a lot of product, so it's looking full opaque color, which is great. That actually looks really cute. Just this pink upper lash line liner. It's simple, but it's still really cute and fun. All right, and I'm not a very good drawer or artist or anything, so I don't have too high hopes for what I'm about to do, but let's see. I'm going to try extending the liner into a heart. Oh gosh, I got a little stuck. Wow, that came out worse than I was expecting of myself. Wow, Christy, that is very bad. The eyeliner is good. It's the user error, the user's artist technique, which is bad. I mean, I think you get what I was trying to do. Oh my gosh. I know other people could try the same technique and it would look so good on them. Maybe I just need to practice. Maybe I just need to start wearing pink eyeliner with a heart on the end every day, and maybe after like 4 to 7 years, I would be really good at it. I'm just kidding, but this is so cute. I just love to have this in my collection because for only $1, there could be a fun opportunity where I could wear this or do some fun designs. What comes to mind is maybe like a gender reveal party. Not that I'm having one of those anytime soon, but you could just like do some pink eyeliner or draw some hearts on your face or something, you know? I feel like there's just endless opportunities with these color liquid liners that are so easy to use, so vibrant, and so inexpensive. So if you are looking for a colored liquid liner, I really do think this is a good option. I'm having fun with this. So maybe on the other eye, I saw some examples of eyeliner going on the lower lash line and extending. You're probably like, Christy, don't even bother. That's going to look bad. But I'm going for it. I just love this color. It makes me so happy. What do we think of pink on the lower lash line? It's fun. And then extending the liner. Ooh. A straight line is a little bit more achievable for me. And that is cute. With like a pink purple eyeshadow look. Throwing this on either the top or the bottom lash line, I think would look so good. It would pop, it would be fun. And then this claims to last all day. Let's see. Yes, absolutely no smudging, no transfer. So that is awesome. It's really a great formula. If you have done any really fun, cool, colored eyeliner looks, let me know about them in the comments down below. I would love to get some inspiration. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.